Today, I want to show you how Checkpoint can help you acquire new security business through our new enhanced white space program. So an ongoing challenge for many companies is finding new sales opportunities and new growth engines. Take, for example, this partner ABC. This partner offers many solutions, including cloud services in AWS, Google, and Azure, some security user authentication into applications through Okta, and also offers Office 365 licenses to many of his customers. This partner would like to grow, and they're looking for new sales opportunities. So to improve the profitability from each of the solutions the partner currently sells, they decide to bundle Checkpoint solutions to all of their offerings. For example, CloudGuard Posture Management for their AWS, Azure, and Google offerings, Harmony Connect to their Okta solution, and Harmony Email and Office to their Office 365 offerings. So with all these new sales potentials, the only question left is how do we scale the prospecting offers? Our solution is the White Space program. This program provides all Checkpoint partners with an opportunity to increase the wallet share of their existing customers through security projects. The program's fundamentals are simple. The partner and Checkpoint managers map all potential security projects within their account list to get Checkpoint assistance into selling into these customers. So according to Checkpoint's 2020 stats, traditional lead generations, you can expect a low ROI. Their average conversion rate is 0.01% to 1%. With our White Space program, which utilizes the partner's existing client base with little or no cost, the conversion rate has been closer to 4.2% in 2020. So we'll help you expand your business in 5 simple steps. 1, working with your channel managers, you can build a list of potential white space accounts. We will then, through research, we will filter the list to ensure the accounts qualify for the white space program. Using this list, we would then generate intelligence reports for each of these accounts. Together, we will set up campaigns to convert the leads to opportunities and can schedule demos for these meetings. And then lastly, we will ensure that these leads get high priority from our sales teams. So going into a little bit of detail, in step 1, in reviewing your existing customers, you and your channel managers will map your accounts that have potential for security solutions. The key for success in the selection of these accounts to make sure that you have an existing relationship with these accounts. And then step 2, after you've created a targeted list with the channel manager, we will then make sure that those accounts are new to Checkpoint and also not already registered to the program by other partners. Once we identify which accounts qualify for the program, then we will move to create intelligence reports for each of these customers. And then Ariel is going to go into a little bit about the details of those intelligence reports.
Okay, thank you, Florence. So the intelligence data is gathered by third-party research, which identifies the customer, general company information, their branches, and their current IT install base. With this information, we will then align complementary Checkpoint products to the products identified by providing you with a set of recommendations for each account in our intelligence report. This will ensure you are going after the right accounts. In the next couple of slides, I'm going to review an example of the customer intelligence report that you will be receiving for your qualified customer accounts. From this report, you will be able to assess the customer's perceptions of your strengths and vulnerabilities, as well as their perceptions of key competitors. In this example, based on the intelligence that we have received from our third-party resources, we have identified what these customers have in their install base. Using this information, we were able to map their current solutions to complementary Checkpoint solutions. In doing so, we grouped them by product family for easy alignment to the Checkpoint Checkpoint pillars of cloud, infinity, secure users and access, and network, as demonstrated in our joint business plans. Grouping them in this format makes it easier to pinpoint what your focus should be for each qualified account. And then once you determine the potential in each account, you can run different campaigns depending on your targets. For example, you can see here that of the 10 accounts submitted to us, 6 have solid cloud potential based on the assets found. So say they have Microsoft Azure. We can then suggest a solution from our CloudGuard suite to protect their public clouds, such as CloudGuard Network and CloudGuard Posture Management. Based on what they have, we align them to the solutions that we have to protect them, whether it's printers, as mentioned earlier, cameras, Wi-Fi, etc. We can also see that there is evidence that 2 of the 10 accounts have network potential. So using this information, you can dig into that potential through meaningful conversation and additional research to determine next steps. And under our Harmony suite, we see that 8 out of the 10 accounts show assets in our install base that could benefit from Harmony Mobile, Harmony Office, Endpoint, or Connect. So you're probably wondering how we know there's this type of potential in these accounts. Well, in the next slide, I will review how we got here. In the following images, we've dived into the report's results and show examples of what you, the partner, can sell. In regards to cloud, Harmony, previously Beyond the Perimeter, Infinity or Management, and IoT potential, we can clearly see the relative assets that were found with the corresponding recommended solutions listed. From those solutions, you can select what you want to sell to the customer. For example, in this first image, the account shown here has 6 different cloud assets, with the first being Adobe Creative Cloud, next asset being Adobe Marketing Cloud, Amazon Elasticsearch Service, and so forth. We can then determine that Checkpoint's CloudGuard Network and CloudGuard Posture Management would be complementary solutions to sell for each of these assets, actually. In the Harmony example, this account shows a total of 8 related assets, which tells us there's ample opportunity and such increased activity presented to us. Listed on the left-hand side, we again see the exact assets listed, with each corresponding Checkpoint solution listed on the right. For Android OS devices, you can offer Checkpoint's Harmony Mobile solution. For Google G Suite and Microsoft Office 365, you can sell Harmony Email and Office, previously CloudGuard SaaS. And then for their Sonic Wall, we can see that R80 won't work as a standalone. We will provide you with their assets, the research, our recommended solutions, all in an effort to help you sell and succeed. That way, you can use this information and these results to take action. The steps to follow are in your hands. You determine your campaign and course of action. You can execute a mutual CloudGuard bootcamp or 10 to 15-minute virtual event with your customer, one that has proven to produce a high conversion rate by helping you to close more opportunities and earn sales in the fast-growing cloud security market. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide how you want to utilize this information moving forward. In regards to the virtual event just mentioned, in case you were confused, here's a little more information. The event is an exclusive 15-minute live cyber talk demo that will initiate a meaningful discussion on your customer security posture. In these virtual demos, customers gain practical hands-on experience and the ability to immediately deploy solutions in learning mode, and is even easier to schedule since you now have the ability to schedule from your Engage app. All you have to do is log in and choose Ask Our Experts from the homepage. Tap Meet an Expert, select your desired session, then the demo option, and pick a date. It's that easy. Then make sure to log this in Engage for an easy 100 points towards your tier. And lastly, step 5 is all about making these leads a priority. Once we decide which accounts to focus on and which campaign we want to work on, the leads are uploaded by one of our teams and are used to create meetings for our account managers. Because these leads will be seen as high priority, our account managers will connect with you immediately to begin working on them. You can also take advantage of this opportunity to increase your margins and incentivize prospective Checkpoint customers through additional benefits. Because the target accounts for this program are net new customers to Checkpoint, you can expect an additional 25 percentage points off standard discounts and improved deal registration. Your customers could be eligible for up to 50 cyber learning credits, which will allow them to register for classes like CISO Academy or Checkpoint certification trainings. Finally, because these leads will be prioritized by our sales teams, any discount request will be fast-tracked for approval and every opportunity will be supported by the local team. And that is our white space program. Thank you for your time today.
Fabulous job, ladies. Well done. Very well done. So I'm sure we have a lot of partners in the audience that want to get started. They want to get started immediately. What would be your advice?
Oh, reach out to Partner Alliance. We can get you started today.
Okay, there you go. As easy as that. And when they submit the list of accounts, what is the normal turnaround time right now?
I believe we can get those done within a week or two, just depending on the volume we'll get in the next couple of weeks.
All right, very good. Thank you. Do we have anything else over the chat or in the Q&A window? It doesn't look like it. All right. Well, thank you again.